Namaskaram. Today we are back with Khadi cotton sarees, a new design in Khadi cotton saree andi. Embroidered Khadi cotton sarees. Aina mottham floral embroidery vastundi. Kinda ila manaki embroidered borders vastunnai. Multicolor embroidered border. Sea green color saree ki we have ila mustard, maroon and white color combination embroidered motifs vastunnai. And one side ila manaki pedda border kuda saree ki untundi. So pallu kuda manaki ila untundi. Upper portion mottham manaki ila embroidery vastundi. So this is the blouse, a running blouse. This is priced at $11.50 free shipping. So we have got varied color combinations in this pattern andi. Purple color untundi, a parrot green color saree. This is again a dual shaded saree. Ila manaki different color combinations lo ee sarees vastunnai. More than 15 color options meeki ee design lo untundi. So if you wish to place an order, send a screenshot to a WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. So hope you like this design. Thank you.